Getting private key from BullX is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be telling you exactly how you guys can do it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. And I will be providing the link to the BullX so you guys can get started with BullX today. So first thing first, export the private key from BullX. Access the wallet manager in BullX, navigate to the wallet manager, add new wallet, create a new wallet during this process, and you will have the option to download the private key. Save the private key securely, store the private key when prompted, as it's only available for download once. So here you guys can see that this is the option to download the private key. It says that one private key and there will be an option to download it. So all you have to do is to simply click on download it. So the other thing is import the private key into the Phantom. Open Phantom Wallet, launch the Phantom and go to the settings. Manage account settings, select manage accounts, choose add connect account option, import private key, click on the import private key option, select the appropriate blockchain, for example that could be Solana, enter a name for the account and paste your BullX key, complete the import and confirm to add the account to the Phantom. So here you guys can see that there is an add a wallet option in the BullX, and once you do this, you'll be able to download the private key. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful.